Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. We are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies. For your relationship, I'll be picking one card. This is for your relationship. I'll leave it here. And this card is for your career situation, Pisces. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading that will follow this general guidance. So, if you want more clarity, you can watch that, Pisces. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a very good friend of mine who is an intuitive personal reader. She does a reading in fever, so you can contact her. I'll be sharing her link in the description, Pisces. So, let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have Queen of Cups, Seven of Pentacles, and Three of Swords in reverse. So, today in your circumstances, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone thinking or planning something for your future. You have achieved certain things for yourself, happy for something, happy about something, and you are expecting a change today, a better circumstance today, or a better opportunity today, and you're waiting and thinking about something or expecting something, maybe in your work, expecting some projects or assignments. So, what's next? That is your, what to say, that is your state today, the way you are. So you have achieved certain goals for yourself, happy about it, and you are someone who is dedicated. So whatever choices you make, Pisces, you stand by those choices, you try to make it work, and you are someone very honest, and you are a hard working person. So, the choices you have made in your work circumstances, you are standing by those choices, and the choices you have made in this relationship, you are standing by those choices, whether it's good or bad. If you want this person, you go out of the way, trying to go for compromise, trying to reconcile with them, maybe if you're having troubles. Or maybe if you are with this person in a beautiful relationship, you are someone really honest, so you want to take this relationship to the next level. Maybe you're thinking of marriage or commitment. Or for some of you, if you are in separation, if you are, what to say, if you had some difficulty in this relationship and if you are separate from them, looks like this person is coming to visit you. It's a surprise visit. Maybe you never expected them to come because that was the way things were. Things were really difficult between you both. You would have loved this person, but you never expected them to come. So maybe their heart, they have a change of heart, things are changing and they are thinking of you, maybe, guys, for some of you, if you are in separation, Pisces. So let's see what is the card for your relationship first. We have chaos and conflict. Such an apt card for y'all today. So if you feel that your relationship is going through troubles, maybe something is not right, maybe you're stubborn, you have your own ideas, you have your own, plans, or you don't want to negotiate. You don't want to change no matter what. But deep down, you want a peaceful state. You want things to dissolve. You should take this time to think for yourself what is really important to you. Whether you can find a time away from these toxic emotions. Maybe you are feeling really sad or stressed. Wait for the time so everything clears up. So, you need to use this time constructively. Maybe you are hurt, maybe you are sad, and you feel that you cannot accept this person telling you sorry, you cannot negotiate. So, you need to, what to say, uh, think within yourself what it is you truly want, then decide for yourself. That is the energy here with this card for your relationship. So, for your career, we have co create. So, in your circumstances today, Pisces, maybe when you are making some choices or when you are doing your work, you will feel really inspired to go towards some choice or take up a different path. So, whatever it may be, if you go for that, you will see success because in your career, universe or God or the higher spirit is here to help you, is here to partnership with you and guide you in the right way. So that is the energy here with this card. And that is the reading for you all today, Pisces. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Pisces. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card. For those who chose this card, this is a Crystal Spirits card, Sunstone. So with this card, the energy is that maybe today you need to free yourself of all that old patterns. Maybe the past hurt, whatever was holding you back, whatever was limiting your potential. And you need to understand that you can do anything you set your mind on. So you need to feel really positive and you need to break away from all those obstacles that is holding you back, that is making you stuck. So if you are feeling little toxic in this present relationship and you feel that this relationship is not working, you are free to move away from it, start a new one, or transform this relationship into something which you love, something which you want it to be. You can never control another person or you can never control a set of circumstances, but you always have a freedom of choice. So, this freedom includes stopping the way you are, stopping the way you are going about your life and connecting with the higher spirit or universe, asking for guidance and help. So that way you'll be making a good choice, a best choice. And there are no limits for your skills and talents, guys. So there is no limit, same way there is no limit for love. So if you want a better circumstance for yourself, you need to free yourself today and you need to understand that a much better circumstance is waiting for you, and you need to give up all that past hurt or past negativity, whatever is holding you back. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have the Goose Girl. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your circumstances, it may be your energy or someone close to you, it may be their energy. Maybe someone has wronged this person very badly, and they are creating a lot of troubles for this person because of envy or jealousy. But you need to understand that a true loving heart will always triumph, and truth will always triumph, and justice will be done no matter what your circumstances are. And people love you for what you are and not for your status or not for the possessions you have, but for that true loving nature of yours. And if someone is really jealous and envious and doing wrong things to you, things to someone who is a truly innocent soul, truly kind soul, that jealousy and envy will go back to them and it will not affect this person, guys. You need to understand that. And truth will be revealed. And there is no one who can copy you today, because each and every one of us are unique in our own way, and no one will be able to copy us or step into our shoes. So we have our place in this world, just like each and every one of us as our own place, and there is no one who can take that place. You can be rest assured of that, guys. So that is the energy here with this card. And maybe today, whatever problems you are facing, very soon it is all going to change. It is all going to resolve, guys. So this may be your energy, or it may be someone really close to you. It may be their energy here, guys. So they have been really wronged by people who are simply jealous or envious about them. But everything will be back to what it was, to that good state like before, very soon, guys. So that is the energy here with this card, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.